channel. Welcome to Omar's Garage. Today I'm actually on my way to a electric vehicle show here in Poolesville, Maryland, and it's all kind of worked out. I had planned to go to the show before before what's happening this week. I'm actually, hopefully, if everything works out, I'll be picking up something new for the channel. And I'll let you know now, but it's not going to be a surprise because I've already dropped several hints out there in different videos. But I am actually on my way to Chicago on Monday. So today is Friday, actually Saturday, and on Monday I will be flying out to Chicago. We'll take a little. I'm going to take my wife with me, and we're going to do a little getaway just for 2 days. And I'm actually picking up the vehicle from Tesla in Chicago, Illinois. And the reason I'm doing it, for $2,000 you can get it shipped here to Rockville in Maryland, where close to where I live. But it's $60 for a flight to Chicago from Maryland. I'll have some time to spend with the wife, and also I think it'll be fun and interesting for my first experience with the Tesla Model X to be a long distance drive where I'm going to have to use the superchargers, all the different stations, so I'm going to be able to plan the route. I'm looking at different apps like a Better Route Planner, and obviously Tesla will also route out in the car, with the car's GPS navigation. It'll route out all the stops and everything. But so I think it's going to be interesting. And just to give you a heads up, this is all coming up soon. The finance is already there. I got to check. But the car that I'm buying the car is a used like Model X. Honestly, I'm pretty sure I can get a new Model X. I wouldn't feel comfortable, with payment on a performance model, which can be anywhere from $130,000 to $150,000. So I'm getting a P90D, and that's currently what they have waiting for me there. As long as there's nothing major wrong with the car, then I should be driving home with it on Monday. And the exciting thing is I'll have some new content for the channel, something different. The Escalade's gone, just as an update. But anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm pretty excited on something new. I've gone through a lot of different cars. I'm really into cars, as you all know, and I'm really excited for this, for my first electric car, and for it to be a Model X. So it's something that's going to be a 7-seater, so I'll be able to stuff all my kids in there, and my in-laws or my kids' friends. So stay tuned. I want to thank you. I think hopefully within the next week we'll be able to hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, and I appreciate every one of you. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit subscribe. Hit the like button. Any comments that you can share, are always appreciated. Constructive or not, but I always appreciate your comments. And hit the notification bell and make sure that so you'll be alerted to any new videos that I bring up. Especially now, since most likely I'll have a little bit different content in the sense that I'm going to be working on or having my first electric car. So, anyways, thank you. And like I said, I appreciate all of you, and all those that have subscribed, and those that are watching the channel. So I just want to say thanks, and you all take care.